Hello students. Today our topic of discussion is digital frequency meter. A frequency counter is a digital instrument that can measure and display the frequency of any periodic waveform. It operates on the principle of getting the unknown input signal into the counter for a predetermined time. It displays the frequency of a periodic electrical signal to an accuracy of 3 decimal places. It counts the number events occurring within the oscillations during a given interval of time. For measuring low frequencies, we usually use deflection type meters. The deflection of the pointer on the scale shows the change in frequency. The deflection type instruments are mainly of two types. One is electrically resonant circuits and the other is ratio meter. Digital frequency meter is a general purpose instrument that displays the frequency of a periodic electrical signal to an accuracy of 3 decimal points. Now here is a block diagram of frequency counter or the digital frequency meter. A frequency meter has a small device which converts the sinusoidal voltage of the frequency into a train of unidirectional pulses. The frequency of input signal is the displayed count averaged over a suitable counting interval of out of 0.1, 1 or 10 seconds. These three intervals repeat themselves sequentially. As the ring counting units reset, these pulses pass through the time-based gate and then entered into the main gate, which opens for a certain interval. The time-based gate prevents a divider pulse from opening the main gate during the display time interval. The main gate acts as a switch. When the gate is open, pulses are allowed to pass. When the gate is closed, pulses are not allowed to pass. That means the flow of pulses get obstructed. The functioning of the gate is operated by the main gate flip-flop, an electronic counter at the gate output that counts the number of pulses passed through the gate while it was open. As the main gate flip-flop receives next divider pulse, the counting interval ends and divider pulses are locked out. The resultant value displayed on a display screen, which has the ring counting units of scale of 10 circuits and each unit couples to a numeric indicator which provides a digital display. As the reset pulse generator is triggered, ring counters get reset automatically and the same procedure starts again. The range of modern digital frequency meter is between the range of 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 9 Hz. The possibility of relative measurement error ranges between from 10 to the power minus 9 to 10 to the power minus 11 Hz and a sensitivity of 10 to the power minus 2 volt. Application of digital frequency meter. For testing radio equipment, it is used for measuring the temperature, pressure, and other physical values, measuring vibration, strain, and overall you can say it is used as measuring transducers. So this is a small discussion on frequency meter. You have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me through WhatsApp or email. Thank you for today's class.